Students, now ready to learn about the Roman numerals. As you know, in the ancient time, Roman people were used the Roman numerals to represent the buildings of Rome's a street, and in the present time, we are use the Roman numerals in the watch. If you are taking the wristwatch or the wall watch, so now next. Roman numerals are a numeral system. Okay, as the Hindu Arabic numeral, same the Roman numeral that originated in ancient Rome and reminded the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe well into the late Middle Ages. मीन्स बहुत पहले रोमन न्यूमरल्स को यूज़ किया जाता था रोमन्स पीपल्स के द्वारा, बट नाउ अ डेज वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग दिस. Numbers in this system are represented by combination of letters from the Latin alphabet. Modern uses employs 7 numbers symbols, each with a fixed integer value. It means in this time we are uses the 7 symbols that has a specific value. Look here. Roman numerals are written as the combination of the 7 letters below that are given in the below of this image. So first is the I has the one value V 5 X 10 L 50 C 100 D 500 M 1000. Means there are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. This also in the spelling form that you can say the number form. 1 I 1 V 5 X 10 L 50 C 100 D 500 and M 1000. Next, this is the list of the Roman numerals, and then we are coming on the rule for forming a Roman numeral. First rule is repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. When the Roman symbols will repeat, this indicated for the addition. But some special rules are also there. Only I, X, C and M can repeat it. V, L and D cannot be repeated. It means we have to only repeat the I, X, C and M. But we can't repeat V, L and D. No Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. It means किसी भी Roman numeral को आप 3 times से ज़्यादा repeat नहीं कर सकते हैं. And V, L and D repeat नहीं होंगे. Clear? Next rule is a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. It means if we are written the Roman symbol means smaller Roman symbol after the larger, then it will always added. Our next rule, a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Condition is also given here. First is V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Means Roman symbol I subtracted from only the V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. Our next rule is when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following. Okay, as the example is given, XIV equal to X value has the 10, I before the V, so 5 minus 1 equal to 14. And next most important thing, in the Roman system there is no symbol for the 0. They are not representing particular 0. And one more thing, This system is also not a place value. Means in the Roman series, we can't define place value. Okay, student, I hope you all are understand about the Roman numerals and what is the rules of this system. Thank you.